Okay, so you are on the right track. We are I'm gonna plot these points. I think this is the one that you were working on. Yeah, okay. So -3, 3, so a little bit better. So 1, 2, 3, right? And then up 3. So that's this point. So there should only be 2 points on there, and D is over 1 and then down 2, right? And that's D. So as you can see, the only difference is that you have 4 points, and you have the right points on there. You just have 2 extra points. You just need to take off the extra points. That's it. And then draw your graph. So that's that one. And then if I look at the other 2 that you sent me, which I think are the next 2, once again, so 2, 4, right? Over 2, and then up 4. So it's up there. So you have that on there. So excellent job. And then B is -2, -2. So it's over 2 and down 2, which you also have that on there. You just have an extra point. So I think what you're doing, you're on the right track. You just have one or 2 extra points on each graph. So just each of these equals 1 point, okay? So that one goes there and that one goes there.